Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to assemble this fully 3D printed case that I designed, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward, so let's just dive into it. We're going to need just a few drops of super glue, a utility knife or just any kind of blade that you'd like, a screwdriver for the screws, and 11 of these M3 IT inserts. So we're going to need 11 of these, and also 7 of these screws right here. So let me show you. 7 of these screws right here with this kind of head, and then 4 of these for the motherboard. So yeah, that's basically how we need, and let me show you how to actually assemble this thing. So as you can see, this is the main case. It's one piece. The front grill right here. This thing has, I already put the inserts inside, almost all of them. This is the back plate. We have the power button and reset button spot, just the I/O shield, and this is for the flex power supply. So this case takes a ITX motherboard and flex power supply, as I said. And yeah, pretty much this is a grill that will fit right here, just so that no objects can just go through the sides here. Then we have these two brackets. These look similar, but as you can see, one has 2 holes and one has only one. And this is the back plate, I guess you would call, which you can see has a big opening for accessing the back of the motherboard if you have like M2 slots like I do. So hopefully it's gonna be great for any kind of ITX motherboard. So let's just dive right in. I did all the IT inserts but this one, so I can show you on video. So these holes are pretty small, just because I'd rather doing some cleanup after pressing the insert in than having the insert just come loose and fall off. So yeah, that was not smart. Just be careful when you do it, don't be like me. All you have to do really is this for all the inserts, and then if you have too much excess here, you can just clean it off with a utility knife. You just go around it and clean it off, but in this case I low-key just pressed it with my fingers. So this is the hour shaft. We'll just leave it to the side here for a second. 4 more inserts on the back plate and 5 more on the grill, so both sides and on the bottom. This goes right here, as you can see. Then we have 1 more on the back plate here, and that's it for the inserts. So I guess we'll just start from here. You can see we need 3 screws, so just take one. I guess we just go ahead and screw it in. I'm just making the video because I'm too lazy to make some actual documentation about the assembly process, so I guess we're gonna stick with the video. And don't like tighten them like crazy, they just need to keep the thing together. And this is actually the first one I built, so I hope it's gonna be sturdy enough. As you can see, this part needs to get glued down, so you can just put this piece first. So this is the one with 2 holes and goes on the top. Just take one. screw it in. One more screw. Screw this side in. So you can now see the top is done. We'll move to the bottom right now, and this side right here just needs some little bit of super glue. So we'll go ahead and screw this side first. Then you can just go ahead and put some glue, and super simple. So you can just a small amount of super glue, and then you keep it pressed until it's set, I guess. I'll make it easy for me and use one of these clamps, so I can just go ahead and lift the thing and put some glue also on these two things. So just go in with a little bit of glue also on this side, and we just let it set. While this is setting, we can also put the grill. You can see this thing gets printed separately, so it's easier to print, and then you can just put a few drops of super glue on the borders and just put it in and keep it until it's set. I will just use like 4 drops, one for each corner. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3, and 4. And you can really choose whatever orientation you like more. I'll go like this. Alright, so the grill here is set, and also this part is set. So you just slide it in, then there's one screw that will keep it all together. So just like this. And right now you can see the thing is quite sturdy, and you got yourself a fully 3D printed case for any ITX build. So this would honestly look perfect as a home server or something like that. And if you want to see how I will use this thing, you can check out the next video I will upload. And for anyone wondering, this thing is fully free to download. You can just check the link in the description and you can download all the files, and yeah, it's really simple to assemble, and airflow should be pretty good also because of this front grill right here. So you can guys let me know in the comments if you printed this thing, how the thermals are, and if you like to see any improvements in the future. So I guess this grill could be a bit like thinner, but yeah, thanks so much guys for checking today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.